Y'all ready? Also, before we do this, we also have Amber from BOK who's sponsoring. Loud and proud that Mike and Curtis are going to take the picture. Y'all ready? Come on, we back, baby. It's going to be a phenomenal 2025 run season. Here we go. We! You stay right there. Go ahead, fellas. Do your
Good morning. We're about to have a great run. Good morning.
Columbus, Ohio, too, baby.
I am from Columbus, Ohio. My name is Big. Oh, wait! We are bringing the National African American Male Wellness 5K Walk and Run. This is a 5K walk and run for men, women, and children. The event is for everyone. But the main thing is us as black men start taking ownership in our health, and we get health screens. We gonna get out here and run, we gonna lift, but we gotta take that initiative, and go see them doctors. We gotta make sure we asking the right questions, and are we living long for our kids,